Well, that part, Mike, does sound true, covering tracks, because this is a situation where his home was completely destroyed, right? It was in shambles inside that home, right? But they didn't really uncover anything that would tell investigators that something necessarily happened to the boys. But there's three of them, from like 9, I think 9, 7, and 5 at the time, I believe, or about the ages of these three boys. They're not going to be runaways. They're not. No one's raising them. Everything points in one direction, but it seems some tracks were covered here.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I could understand that investigators did not want to presume them dead, obviously, after they did the initial investigation, right? 14 years ago, 12 years ago, even 10 years ago. But 8 years ago and after that, I mean, it's ridiculous for anyone to think that these young men are still alive, right? The oldest kid was 9 when he was supposedly taken to an underground cult, right? 9. So he knew he had a mom. He knew what she looked like. He knew literally how her voice sounded, right? There are kids who are born through IVF who, once they find out that their actual parents are not their real parents, they crawl over broken glass to find the parent. The oldest kid, if he was alive, he would have found his mom a long time ago, right? But I could understand investigators not jumping to that conclusion when the initial investigation happened. It made total sense. But right now, I mean, this is ridiculous. These kids are gone, right? Anybody who believes that these kids are still alive with an underground cult, I mean, you might as well believe that they're living with Bigfoot. There's just no other explanation other than these boys perished. Question of where and when is a different issue.